1212 Vision, hello. Hey.
What's up? You're watching 1212 Vision.
Yo, 1212 Vision channel.
1212 Vision, man.
Yo, this is 1212 Vision channel.
Snowstorm, NYC, 2019. FDR Drive.
He finally got on the camera for me. Yeah. Thank you. Let me see the back. Yeah, boy. That boy said, fuck you, God. Lightning bolts on his feet. Word. You a problem in the snow? That's how you felt today?
So you know when niggas is good.
Talk your shit, boy. That's how you know. Wow, 2 bands for the Louis glasses?
Getting another one about the money. Right?
Wow.
$1,000,
$1,000?
That's a lot of bands, nigga.
That's good.
Shit
That's
costs a band.
What's up, YouTube? It's your boy 12 in the back of R2. Round 2 with another shoe. Serena Williams right here, y'all. Serena Williams off-white blazer. Yes, this is a blazer, off-white, Serena Williams. Priced at $900 here in round 2. The reason I got my face mask on, because it matches the face mask. But, Serena Williams, off-white, round 2, we got it here. Show you all the blazers that came out from off-white that round 2 have today. They have every one of them except for the OG. Serena Williams, like I said, showed y'all before, off-white. Wow. The latest off-white blazer, black and white, right here with the white check. Boom, 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 boom. This is it right here, the latest one. The other release right here, off-white blazer, the tan color. This is priced at $750. The black one priced at $750. Serena Williams priced at $900. Off-white, 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 off-white. Back around to my favorite spot for the latest shoes. Subscribe, hit that like button. Y'all know the vibes. Deuces.
This is the famous wall in the back of round 2. They got decks that I never even seen before. These decks is fire down here. Kermit. Both of the Kermits. All 3 of the Kermits. What? Shit, I would love just to have one of these joints in the crib. An unreleased shoe again in round 2. 720 Air Mac. It's a new Air Mac right here. 720 didn't come out yet, but round 2 got it. They personally sent this to the owner of round 2, OG, Luke Mook. Voila! What's up, Briss? Look at Briss in his haircut. Yeah, baby, clean cut. Ooh, Rico Suave. Skibo Debo in round 2. What's up,
I ain't
Ski?
even know, but I stumbled up on 12 o'clock. He got me buying my first pair of orthopedic joints.
Yeezy 700. That's a good shoe, though, Skibo.
Good shoes, comfortable, feel good. But it's so old for the line.
Come on. I said you got it, but that's a real good shoe though, Skibo.
Let's see what he's talking about.
Got Skibo in round 2, yo. Nah. So y'all see this right here? P and Olive. P-E-A-N Olive. L-O-V-I-E. Right? Y'all see this? P and Olive. That right there. This is my girlfriend's brand. I'm right now at her workstation. It's her little workstation. Her little office right here. That go her logos right there, her patches to her P and Olive. All these fringes and stuff like that. This is a sewing machine right here. It's a beginner sewing machine. Or her accessories. This is her heat press right here. Yes, she has a heat press. She's all the way legit with it. Got her heat press. She's figuring everything out by herself. Real dope. Pianola. Most likely she sold that on. And this right here is all her merchandise. So I'm gonna show you some of the pieces that she made. This is her inventory. The P and O. These are hoodies. Most likely, yeah. This is another hoodie that she made. Then it's something like a jersey, denim jersey that she made. I wish I could show y'all more stuff, but I don't know what's what and where it's at. So pretty much for the whole purpose of this right here is for me to show y'all her workstation. And I want y'all to go follow her Instagram. It's Pianolive. I'm gonna put it up here right now. Follow her Instagram. Y'all gonna like what y'all see. Y'all could keep up with some of the stuff that she make. Fly stuff, like I said. Pianolive, her workstation.
1212 Vision, hello. Hey.
What's up? You're watching 1212 Vision.
Yo, 1212 Vision channel.
1212 Vision, man.
Yo, this is 1212 Vision channel.